Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Beatrice here. Today I'm going to be giving this tutorial on the alternative to a magic circle. I know that even I had trouble with the magic circle or the magic ring when I first started crocheting, and I just couldn't get it. And it just took me a while, and for a few projects I just wouldn't do it. So the alternative I found for the magic ring or the magic circle is what we're going to be doing today. So for today's tutorial I'm just using a regular medium weight yarn, and I'm using a 4.25 millimeter crochet hook, and it's also in the size G, and you'll need a pair of scissors and a darning needle and a crochet marker if you wish. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do instead of a magic circle or a magic ring is we're just going to go ahead and make a slip knot. So however you prefer to do that. Just yarn over, cross over. This is how I like to do it. Put the yarn back over your finger and then pull it over and grab your hook and insert your hook. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain 4. That first loop that we have on our hook is not considered a stitch. Okay, so now we're gonna stitch 4 chains. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Then in this first chain that we did, we're going to insert our hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through. And we're going to make a single crochet. Okay. If you get stuck at any point in this process, you can always pause the video and then rewind it, which is what I've done many times. So now that we have that stitch, we are going to start making our circle out of what we just done. So we didn't create a magic circle. Okay, so from this point we're going to chain 1. Now we're going to go into this particular where we connected it. I don't know if you can see that, where we connected it. Right there. We're going to insert our hook. Grab your yarn, pull through, and make another single crochet. Okay? Now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to go back into this very first stitch that we have going on right here, this one. Okay, so you can see that better. This chain right here, this one. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull it through, make another single crochet. Okay, chain 1, go into the next stitch, pull through, single crochet. Okay, so as you can see, our circle is starting to take shape even though we didn't use the magic circle. There's just different ways that you can start the project. It's really just a matter of what you feel more comfortable with. So now we've chained 1, we're going to keep going to the left. single crochet and chain 1. Again to the next stitch, yarn over, single crochet, chain 1, into the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So here we have a beautiful circle, and we didn't even need the magic circle or the magic ring. So if you've gotten to this part, you should be very proud of yourself, because this is an accomplishment. So we can keep going. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. Okay. So there you have it. You can keep going and going and going as big as you would like to make that circle. So this is the alternative to that magic circle. If you just can't do it, this is a great alternative. And I really appreciate that you stopped to visit my channel. And I hope to see you in another video. Have a great day.